guys, we got I'm going to use the word major. We have a snowstorm on the way. It's going to pack quite the punch. You can see winter storm warnings are up. We can see the storm starting to develop now in the Ohio Valley. This will aggressively deepen as you get to the overnight hours. Let's take you over to my updated snowfall map. This is it. I upped the 6 to 12 to 8 to 14. Locally, mounts up to 16. Definitely somewhere in southern New England, potentially parts of New Jersey, into the Lehigh Valley, Long Island. There's going to be a very heavy band of snow between the hours of 3 a.m. and 10 a.m. tomorrow. And whoever gets caught in that band is going to see over a foot of snow. Generally, it's going to be snowing hard, but I want you guys to understand that we're going to have to keep an eye on the radar and just see what happens, because this is, I mean, you don't see too often a storm that's this quick in duration, only 6 to 8 hours realistically, and dropping this much snowfall. So tomorrow's going to be an exciting day. Let's take a look at the models right now so I can show you guys what's going on. This is 10 p.m. tonight. This is 1 a.m. in the morning. So snow starts to break out in Pennsylvania, but it's going to start off as freezing rain and sleet in South Jersey, and north of I-78 should start as all snow. Now, by the way, this is snow. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. We have some heavy, heavy snow, and then by the time we get to 7 a.m. tomorrow, like I said, between the hours of 3 a.m. and 10 a.m., watch out, because you're going to see snowfall rates of 1 to 3 inches an hour. Somewhere between, I would say, down here near Harrisburg, up eventually into southern New England. It's going to snow hard, guys. So don't be fooled by the fact it's going to be over before noon for many areas. When you wake up tomorrow morning, there could be whiteout conditions. So also winds will be howling on Long Island. There are some blizzard watches out right now. So this is some exciting stuff. And just to show the dynamics, not to get too complicated, but this shows lift in the atmosphere. And you could see here, this is just a model projection from this afternoon. This gray is literally off the charts in terms of vertical motion. And the reason that's happening, guys, is because it's so warm today. We have cold air crashing into warm air. We have an explosively deepening storm system. So air is going to rise and rise quickly. And depending on where this sets up, so again, somewhere in this zone, okay, there's going to be a narrow, say, 50-mile band. Draw it diagonally. Someone's going to hit the jackpot in that band, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens. So keep checking in. There'll be updates on Twitter throughout the night, updates tomorrow when I can. And, hey, enjoy the storm. By the way, I just moved into a new house. I do not have a shovel, and I refuse to buy one, because if I buy one, I can guarantee you that it will not snow in northern Jersey as much as expected. So that's a problem I want to have. So check in with me tomorrow, and we'll see how we make out.